Hey guys, Erika here. Today we'll be doing another taste test of UK candy bars, and today we're trying Dairy Milk Caramel and Wispa. Yes, a Wispa. I'm gonna whisper in your ear. I had to. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay, let's. Visit somekindofgeek.com, your one-stop shop for collectibles, gear, tech, and more. I know it doesn't look right, okay? Before you say anything, calm down. It's shipping issues, because from one country to the next. So, let's try it. That is the most softest candy bar I ever bit into, ever. There's little bubbles. So weird. So it's just chocolate bubbles. And again, this doesn't look right because of shipping. But the caramel got kind of everywhere, so we can't necessarily take the wrapper off. We did try. That one failed. Rest in peace. But we got two off. Try it. They fill it with sections and you're gonna have to chew this for a long time. Because it's basically filled with caramel. That's it. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment down below, and leave a like on this video. And don't forget to be a super fan on Patreon to make more quality content like this. Bye!